Hey guys, what's up? How y'all doing? Shantae McClain here, back with another quick video. So in this video, again, I'm talking to you guys about Infinity Processing System. This video is going to be about how to create your six-figure sales funnel, okay, inside of Infinity Processing System. So once you join Infinity Processing System, you have to sign up to get your website. Okay, you are actually going to get a sales page that looks just like this. We have had some changes to Infinity Processing System, so it's a possibility you may get a different video, but this is the page that you get. Now, it does not come with a lead capture page. Okay, this is what you're going to get. You won't get a lead capture page. However, inside of Infinity Processing System, there is a training called Create Your Six-Figure Funnel, where Adriana, the owner, is going to teach you how you can go and create your own sales funnel to go with this sales page for free. Okay. And she teaches you how to do that inside of GetResponse. GetResponse is an autoresponder. You have multiple choices of autoresponders that you can use with this system. However, in the training that you see here, she's going to show you how to create a six-figure funnel using GetResponse. Okay, I had no idea you could build sales funnels inside of GetResponse. You actually can. Now, I am going to show you one that I did. Now, I built this using a blank template. Now, I am no way tech savvy at all. As a matter of fact, I'm not the best funnel maker at all. I just played with it and I was like, wow, okay. So this is one I kind of created for Infinity Processing. It's not the greatest. I know it's not. But if, you're coming into this and you don't have like a marketing system that has sales funnels you can attach the sales page we have to, that training will really be good for you because this is free. I mean, I don't have to pay any additional money to build this page. I already have GetResponse. I'm on their monthly plan or whatever. I think it's like $15 a month for me. I don't know. It's 15. It just is on my auto pay. But this is something inside of Infinity, inside of GetResponse that's part of, it's part of it. It comes with it. Okay. I was playing around with this one, y'all. Like I said, I ain't the greatest. I was just toying with it. I do need to make some adjustments, but I just want to show you that it's definitely possible for you to make capture pages inside of your GetResponse autoresponder. So not only is it good for the autoresponder system and sending out mass emails, you can build a sales funnel and attach Infinity Processing Systems sales page here to that funnel. Okay, and that's what I did to the page I just showed you. I attached it to this. I'm gonna tweak this some more. I still got some changes to make. I just wanted to show you that you learn how to do this inside of Infinity Processing System. Now, the funnel that she teaches you on here is a little different from mine, but like I say, I just started playing with it, and I like to try things out and see what different things I can do. And so I was able to build that simple, basic funnel inside of this. So like I said, if you don't have a marketing system and money's kind of funny and you just want to build like a simple funnel, definitely make sure you check out the six-figure funnel automated sales funnel video inside of Infinity Processing System, and she'll teach you definitely how to make your sales funnel inside of GetResponse. I just thought that was super cool because I didn't even know you could do that. I saw, because like if you look on here, hold on, you look on here. Okay, thing, come on. My computer be doing stuff. Maybe I'm on the main page. It might be my silly, but I am. This is what I was trying to show you. See how you had the option, landing page, conversion funnels. You got the option to do that inside of here. So, like I say, she has a training in here that shows you how to do it and attach it so that, you'll have your funnel already set up. So I just wanted to hop on here and just show y'all that that's one of the features and one of the trainings that's inside Infinity Processing System. If you are looking for information on whether or not Infinity Processing System is a good system, it is a super good system. It's definitely great for teaching you how to make money in affiliate marketing. If you are a beginner or even seasoned in marketing, and you just this can teach practically anybody how affiliate marketing works, but you just have to focus and you have to be consistent with what you're taught inside of here. All the training and information is very easy to follow. It's very step by step. So like I said, I just wanted to jump on here and share that with you. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe my channel. Please make sure you click the bell notification so you can get updates whenever I post another video. I just want to say thanks Thanks to whoever has already subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. And I hope this information can help somebody. Like I say, you know, it's a lot of systems out there, and I know you do a lot of research trying to find out what's good and what's bad. This is definitely a really amazing affiliate marketing system, and so many people are getting started with this and learning so much. And this is really, really, really helping so many people in their journey online with online marketing. All right, guys, until the next video, I will see y'all next time. Y'all have a great day.